Good morning. Welcome to This Morning. On today's show, we will be talking about love, followed by Phil in the kitchen with some love recipes. But first, let's head over to Tara and Daniel in St Anthony's Primary School. Thanks, Phil and Holly. As you can see, we are here at St Anthony's Primary School to feel the love.
I love when the boys and girls come in for the dinner and have lovely manners. It makes us all so happy.
When we show good manners, they feel the love. As you can see, there's love around the playground. Ask Mr. McMorrow some love questions. Tell us about a time you've seen love in the playground.
I've seen some children who have no one to play with, and you know what happens? Their friends come over and say, "Come on, you join us, you play with us." And I think that's love. Making sure that nobody's alone, that no one has, no one to play with, that everybody's playing together and they're happy. So that's love in the playground. Good question.
Tell us about a time when you've seen love in a classroom.
Okay, another good question. Well, do you know something? That is something that we see every day, and our teachers talk about the love that they see in the classroom. And it's when everyone's helping each other, and when they're sharing, and not only sharing pencils and markers and rulers and things like that, but sharing answers and helping each other. Sometimes, and it's happened to all of us, it used to happen to me at school, sometimes you can get stuck on a question. You find a question a wee bit difficult, and when somebody else in the class helps you, when one of your friends in the classroom helps you, I think that's showing love. So it's all about helping each other.
And now for the hardest question of all, when have you shown love?
Well, I think I show love every day of the week in the school. And I show love by just being friendly to everyone, by being as helpful as I can, and by making sure that everybody in St Anthony's is happy. And our teachers and our classroom assistants, they do that too. We all help each other. We're one big happy family, and that's how we all show love.
Thank you, Mr. McMorrow. Now you can go back to work.
Oh yes, I go back to work.
Love is when you go to the cinema and buy some popcorn and watch some movies. Moo. Love is when you share your toys. Love makes you feel really good. Love is kind and when you share your toys with people. Someone takes you out for dinner. Love is when you get married and buy a house with each other or something. You love to play with someone and you love your mums and your dads and your grannies and grandads, and you love to keep them kisses and hugs. And love can be, if someone's crying, you can cheer them up. And being nice and helping the person to really fall down. Love is when you show your toys. It's where you go out for lunch. A big fancy restaurant.
And who pays?
The dad. It looks like a heart, and it looks like it's red, and it looks like it's red freckles. It looks like a heart, a sparkly heart. You could go to the shop like close to it, and you could buy them flowers or something. I give them hugs and kisses. I'm gonna say goodbye to someone. Kiss, hug, you be nice to them. When no one has no one to play with, you join in. No. Yeah,
Who do you love?
my baby brother. Yes,
Who do you love?
my girlfriend.
Who's your girlfriend?
Kiva. Yeah,
Who do you love?
my mom. No.
You sure?
Yes.
Who do you love?
My dad.
And have you ever been in love?
My mom. No. Yeah.
Who do you love?
My daddy. My mummy. And Lucian and Ian. Yes.
Okay. Who do you love?
My mum. And Mary. As you can see, love is in the air. Holly and Phil, back into you in the studio. Thanks, boys and girls. That was very interesting. It's great to see so much love in St. Anthony's.